Alright, what's going on, everybody? This is for the Tide Pods for Chrissy. Here's the list. We've already copied and pasted the list over here, as you can see. I'm going to come down here and type live and get this show on the road. Alright, current time is 7:27, 7:27, 7:27, and 7:27. We're in Elite, so we got to go 7 times. We have Mark, Emmanuel, Sam, Ryan, Tim, Sam, Mark, and Emmanuel for the last. 7 times as always. Good luck. We got Sam after 1, Sam after 2, Emmanuel, Sam, Mark, and Tim after 6. Current time is 7:28, 7:28, 7:28. Last and final. Good luck. Tim in the 6th spot. Congratulations, sir. KFOQQS is the verification code. And we are done. Current time of 7:28, 7:28, 7:28, and 7:28. Congratulations, Tim. Sorry to everyone else.